the capital city. Dr. Shruti Malik, I'll come to you first. Well, it's the fourth day of the lockdown in Delhi, and the caseload, as expected, did not come down. In fact, more cases were reported in Delhi. Why do you think that happened, that despite a lockdown, a number of cases have in fact increased instead of going down? Is it because of the increasing testing which has led to this number going up?
See, what I feel is that the peak is yet to come, firstly, and whatever cases we are seeing is just the tip of iceberg. Now, we will also, I would also like to tell you here is that there's some delay in the reports that are coming up. So maybe the lockdown has just been implemented 3 days back. So maybe the reports have just come, and that is the reason that the cases have been increasing obviously rapidly. But here I would also like to add one thing, that we need to be extra cautious at this point in time, because this peak, whenever this wave rises, if we go into the history of second wave in the UK and Italy, what happened was the cases will never decrease down, or the decline is not going to come abruptly after lockdown. The process has to be, or the lockdown timeline has to be for about good 2 to 3 weeks to actually break the chain, the transmission chain that has actually led to the increase in the number of cases. So I feel that even today we need to be very, very cautious. Even if the lockdown gets reopened after a week, we all need to understand that the lockdown is still there, and we have to be very, very particular, because this virus is very effective and the virulence rate is very high.
Dr. Malik, there are also questions raised, or are being raised, about the efficacy of not the vaccine but the efficacy of the lockdown. Is it something which is really going to help us? Because people are divided on both the sides of the aisle. Some people say that the lockdown is not really necessary, whereas there are medical experts who also feel that a lockdown will break the chain and the ripple effect will be visible in a few months. Where do you stand?
See, what I feel is that lockdown will obviously not decrease the number of cases that are going to happen in the past. They were not performing they were not maintaining any social distancing. They were not wearing masks. They were not maintaining any hand hygiene, and no appropriate COVID-appropriate behavior was being followed by them. And people were, rushing out without any reason, without any important work. Everybody was on the street. People were in the mall. So I think, seeing that situation, government has taken a very right call to actually, cut the transmission chain or break this chain, because without that, it would not have been possible.
Absolutely. Aditya, if you're still there with us. Aditya, the lockdown, Shruti Malik as well. Dr. Malik, what should the Delhi government do? In fact, for that matter, all governments and states which have imposed a lockdown, if the caseload continues to rise, should the lockdown be extended?
The lockdown should be extended, and if it is not being extended, I would urge everyone to actually feel that the lockdown is still there and they should not step out of their houses, because at this point in time, we have obviously a lot of curb in the medical infrastructure. We have a lot of shortage of medicines, of oxygen. We cannot actually, be able to treat so many patients if the cases are going to rise. Sure. So I with my folded hands, I request everyone that we should be very, very careful at this point in time, because the infectivity rate, and as you can see, 35% is the positivity rate in Delhi, which is very, very high.
Very high.
So you can actually understand that how vulnerable the situation is in the state and obviously nationwide. So I feel we should mentally feel, and we should have this in our minds, that the lockdown is there, even if the lockdown is open. But I would urge the government, if the lockdown could be extended, that would be a very good step in actually curbing down the number of cases that would be happening in